here again, and this is Kate. Laziness, full of laziness. Hi! So now we're gonna, I forgot. This is Kaya. Hello. Again. This is Kate. Hi! This is her second video, and Kaya has a YouTube channel, so go follow her. And she has a Facebook, Musical.ly, yes, and Musical.ly. Okay, so follow. So
don't forget to subscribe and follow and like for this video.
So now in this video we're gonna taste or review this one. So this one is Quaker Oats. This is chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so this is Quaker. This is oats, mini oat cookies, and says here chocolate chips. So where's the calories? Oh my god, calories. There's no calories in it.
For over 130 years,
Oh my god.
Quaker has
So,
provided
for over 130 years, Quaker has provided a bundle of good nutrition for lasting energy every day.
Oh, that's
So,
so nutritious.
This one is good for you in breakfast meals. So this one is
Malt Crunch.
Goya Malt Crunch, and this is Maltitos. So I get a boy one. It's a crunchy honeycomb center covered in milk chocolate. So I like this one.
Yes.
This one is like Maltesers. So I'm gonna open this one and taste it. So let's open this one. So I love the packaging. So let's vote for this one. Packaging. I vote this one 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay. So I vote for the packaging a 10.
I vote for the packaging is 10. I vote this packaging is 10.
Okay, so all of us is 10. So now let's open it. And the taste.
I don't know what this tastes, but the packaging is so beautiful, so I think this is delicious.
So let's open it. Okay.
Oh, it's so crunchy.
Tastes like corn syrup, peanut butter, and chocolate chip. I like this one. I'm gonna vote this 9 because it's not perfect.
I'm gonna vote this 8. I'm gonna vote this 7.
Okay? So the taste is 9 and 8 and 7. So now for Fun Factory. If this one is very fun to eat, so I vote this one 10.
Me is 9. 10.
Okay? So I got this 10 because it's very scrumptious. And now let's vote for the taste. So now I'll vote this one oatmeal cookies.
Oatmeal cookies. Delicious. Yummy and crunchy.
Yeah, yummy and crunchy. So now let's open this one. So I tasted this one before.
Both.
Yes. I'm gonna vote for packaging a 9.
10. 10.
Okay. So let's open. Okay. So this one is very circle. So let's vote for the shape of it. I voted 10.
I voted 10 because it's so circle. I voted 10 is
Because it's very round and shiny like that.
so.
Now let's taste and crunch.
Delicious.
Let's vote 10.
10. 10.
And now for the Fun Factory, I vote this one 10
10.
because it's crunchy good.
10 because it's so crunchy and healthy.
And the malt, this one is malted.
10 because it is
Yeah.
delicious.
So now for the taste, I got this one, Maltilicious.
That's fantastic.
Fantastic. Right.
It is delicious and crunchy.
So now I'm gonna end this video because this one is getting long. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe,
And
like, and leave a comment. So I don't want a mean comment. So just follow me in my socials. You know my socials. So now bye bye. Watch this videos, her videos because they have channels. Okay, bye.
And the big stars.
Oh, I forgot.